In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your HP DeskJet 2952 all-in-one printer to the factory defaults. Switch on your printer and go to your smartphone. You can also use a MacBook or laptop. If you have installed the printer in the app, then you can do it. Go to the HP app, scroll down and look for the option Printer Settings. Click on the View All. Select the option Advanced Settings. It will take you to the HP website. In iPhone it may give you error, so click on the Show Details and visit this website. On the next page we will see the HP website. Here we have to do the reset. Click on the Settings, Restore Defaults, Restore Factory Defaults. It will ask you to enter the printer pin. So pin is always here. Open the front door and the ink chamber. Pin is written here. Enter this pin and then close this door. Click on the Submit. On this page, click on the Restore Factory Defaults and confirm it. So this will reset your printer to the factory defaults. Thanks for watching.